is obsolete. When we start this game, I'm playing for keeps. Level 31, I got an Uber gun. The moment it's done, those dudes start to run. Actually, it's getting kind of fun. I was on the hunt, but I never stopped. I just let the gun pop. Beast mode, reload, left and right they drop. Prestige, who me? Too many to count. If I were to show you, simply pass out. Got these noobs in a submission, Kurt Angle. They come at me left and right, they wind up mangle. Really, I don't need that newfangled crap. All I need is my pistol and a double tap. I don't need a radar to look at the map. I sent you, I see you, boy, it's a wrap. You can come at me as hard as you can. Just go down at my hail of gunfire, man. I'm just so pro with the tactical knife. If COD were basketball, I guess I'm like Mike. I'm a whiz when I like sniper all day, all night. We can have a night fight, but either way I own you like you're a little tight. Word. Nerd Nation just killed it.